People always ask me, where should they change their money? Should they change it at the airport? Should they change it at their country? Or should they change it in the city? So I suggest to change as much as you need at the airport just to get to your hotel or to your hostel or to your Airbnb, whatever. So the airports, they might charge a little bit of commission and the rates won't be that good. But if you go into the city, there's exchange places everywhere. But I suggest you change from a bank called Kuveyt Turk. So this bank, I've been around the whole city and each of their branches have the best rates in Istanbul. So you should definitely change your money there instead of a Dovis place. But please remember they only have, let's say, the main currencies like dollar, pound, euro, and I think Kuwaiti dinar, because it's a Kuwaiti bank. So if you're from a country, you know, like for example India or Serbia, so places like that where their currency is not so popular, I would suggest changing it to dollars or euros before you come, or change it in your home country, because I know that some of these exchange places don't accept other currencies. So yeah, so change as much as you can when you get in the airport, just to go to your hostel. Of course, depending on the time, if it's night, maybe you want to change a little bit more for the night. But in the day, there's these branches, Kuveyt Turk. If you see these two pictures, I've taken a picture of first a normal exchange place, a Dovis, and then the next one I've taken a picture of Kuveyt Turk, and you see the rates is, you know, quite a big difference. I mean, if you're here for a few days and you're changing a few hundred or whatever, that, you know, that could get you a nice few free meals. So it's definitely worth checking it out. Another thing I would suggest, if you're from the UK, and maybe check in your own country, I don't know if they're available, but I'm sure you'll have something like this. These are online banks, so they have no branches, but it works from an app. This one is called Starling, and this one is called Monzo. So I haven't used this one yet, the Monzo, but the Starling is great. I mean, I transfer my money from my account to here, and I use it everywhere. I can withdraw cash, and they charge nothing, and the rates are so good on this card that I don't even exchange money anymore. You know, I just use it from this card. And another thing with Kuwait Turk, for some reason they don't charge me anything. So I've been to a few other ATMs. So I think if you're withdrawing cash from your foreigner card, I think you should go to Kuveyt Turk and withdraw it, because the other ATMs sometimes will say you're going to charge you some ridiculous percent, 10%, or I don't know, 5%. So even if you just want to withdraw money, I suggest going to Kuveyt Turk and search about these cards. Starling, Monzo, really lifesavers. Thank you.